Hello everyone, I'm Kanishka and welcome back to my channel Cook by Kanishka.
So, what's new today? Either it is Sunday or Monday, we all love eating khamman. So, do you want to know how to make spongy khamman without curd and without eno in just few minutes? So, let's go and check out this recipe and watch it till the end. Thank you. So, for this, add 1 cup of water. After this, add 3 teaspoons of sugar and 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Here I took refined oil and then mix them until the sugar melts. Here take a lemon and squeeze it. Here you can add citric acid also. On the other hand, according to this measuring cup, I took 2 cup of gram flour. The quantity of gram flour and water should be measured by this measuring cup. Take a container and pour the gram flour in it. Now add salt according to your taste. Here I took 1 teaspoon of salt and then mix it. Take a pinch of turmeric powder. Here you can take food color also. But don't add too much of turmeric powder. Otherwise the color of khamman will turn red. And then mix them. Take the sugar syrup that we have made and then add it portion by portion to avoid the lumps. Mix it with the help of mixer. Avoid pouring it at one go. Otherwise the batter will not become smooth as much as we want. As you can see, I have poured all the sugar syrup and our batter is ready. You can see the consistency is perfect. It should neither be more thicker nor be more thinner. Remember, we took 2 cup of gram flour and 1 cup of water and then cover it for 10 minutes. And at the end, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it well. Take a container and pour some oil and then grease it. Pour the batter in the container. For baking, take a pan and pour some water for boiling and place a stand inside it. And place the container on top of the stand carefully. Cover the lid and bake it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, as you can see, our khamman is ready. Check it with toothpick. As you can see, our toothpick is clean. So our khamman is baked properly. As you can see, our khamman is fluffy. So let it cool down for 10 minutes. On the other side for tadka, take a tadka pan and pour 1 tablespoon of oil, a pinch of asafetida, 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds. When the temperature rises, add 3 chopped green chili and cover it. Add some curry leaves and mix it like this. Add 1 cup of water and add less than 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt according to taste. Some lemon juice. Here I took half lemon and then squeeze it. After adding lemon, let it boil on a low flame. As you can see, Our syrup is boiled. Switch off the flame. On the other side, as you can see, the khamman is not sticking the container. And then with the help of knife, cut the corners a little bit and then place a plate and twist the container around. And as you can see, our khamman is looking so smooth, isn't it? Now you can check the khamman is so very smooth, and then cut it. Here I took square shapes. If you want, you can give it any type of shape, but square shape will look more good, right? And then pour the syrup that we have made. Pour the curry leaves and green chili also. And as you can see, I have poured it. So tada! Our khamman is ready. As you can see how tasty and spongy this khamman is looking. Don't you want this tasty khamman without Eno and without curd during this frustrating lockdown? Make this khamman when you want to eat something tasty, because it will fulfill your appetite and your taste at the same time. And if you liked my recipe, do comment below how much you liked it. But don't forget to drop a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more such recipes. Thank you.